Hello, this is Roman Ansari. Welcome back again. In this video, we will discuss another 5 MCQ question from Python programming language. So let's start. The question is, all keywords in Python are in dash. Option A, capitalized. Option B, lowercase. Option C, uppercase. Option D, none of the mentioned. So the answer will be option D, none of the mentioned. Why? True, false, none, these are keywords, and these keywords are capitalized while the other keywords are in lowercase. That is why it is not capitalized, it is not lowercase, not uppercase, and the correct option is option D, that is none of the mentioned. Next question is, what will be the value of the following Python expression? 4 plus 3 modulus 5. Here this symbol is a operator and this is a modulus operator, and this will give the remainder. And our option is option A 7, option B 2, option C 4, option D 1, and the answer will be option A. Why option A? We have to understand the precedence here, the operator precedence. Here the order of precedence is modulus, first modulus, then plus. Hence the expression above on simplification result will be 4 plus 3, that is 7. Hence the result will be 7, and this operator is modulus operator. And if we'll run the code in idle shell, and it will give, and if we'll run 4 plus 3 modulus 5, it will give 7. 4 plus 6 modulus 5, it will give 5, and you can see the simplification here. So go to the next question. Which of the following is used to define a block of code in Python language? Option A, indentation. Option B, key. Option C, brackets. Option D, all of the mentioned. Here the correct option will be option A. Why? In Python, to define a block of code, we use indentation, and indentation refers to white spaces at the beginning of the line. So that is why option A is the correct answer. Next question. Which of the following character is used to give single line comments in Python? Option A, double slash. Option B, hash symbol. Option C, exclamation sign. Option D, slash then star. The correct answer will be option B. To write the single line comment in Python, we use hash symbol at the beginning of the line. So let's see how it will be look like in our practical example. So first we will understand about the single line comment. So if you want to write the single line comment, you have to write like this. You have to write your code. After that you can give hash symbol, and this is a comment, for example. Also you can give in a separate line. You can press enter here, and from the beginning of the line you can also give some comments for your program and for the documentation purpose. Now we'll see about multi-line comments. To give the multi-line comment, you have to give triple quote mark, and then you have to write your comment, and then again you have to give 3 quote to end the comment, and then you have to write your code. So this is how you can use single line comment and multi-line comment. Next question. What is the name of the GUI that comes inbuilt as an interactive shell with Python? Option A, PGUI. Option B, PyShell. Option C, idle. Option D, Python SH. So the correct option will be idle. And idle is a Python integrated development and learning environment. This is a screenshot you can see here. This is a screenshot of idle, which I have shown in the previous example also. So in this idle shell, you can write your command or you can write your Python code, and you will get prompt output as soon as you press enter. So that's it for today. This is our 5 question. In the next video, we'll give another 5 MCQ question. Till then, take care. Bye bye. See you in the next video.